Okay, students, now today we are going to start new topic, that is factorizing difference of two squares. This is a very good topic, we can say, and in this topic one formula is there, and based on that formula only we are solve each and every question. So what is this two formula? Let's all of you note down first of all this formula. Okay, so a square minus b square is equals to a plus b bracket a minus b. Okay, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. This is actually variable. A we can consider any value according to that question, and b we can consider any value according to that question. So one by one in front of you in exercise 6e, a lot of questions are there, not only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will solve like 25 to 30 questions. Okay, so let's see one by one. We have to solve. First question in front of you, a square minus 4. So what is the value of a square minus 4? So let's see, try to understand. First of all, you have to find out what is the value of a in this question. We can say a only. And anyone know what is the square of 4? Which number square of 4? That is 2. Yes, we can say 2 square, that is 4. So in this question, we can consider a is equals to a only and b is equals to consider 2. So according to that formula, we can say formula no a plus b and a minus b. That means write down here a plus 2 and a minus 2, correct? So we can say that is the correct answer. Okay, very simple question. First of all, I have to find out what is the value of a and what is the value of b. Then after that, you have to, according to that formula, we have to solve the answers. Okay, so let's see next question, question number 2. First of all, first 2-3 question I will solve, and afterwards one by one I will give you, and you have to solve yourself only. Okay, so let's see. 25 minus x square. Okay. First of all, try to understand, all of you on your camera. Think all of you, 25 which number square? Which number square? 5 square. Yes, we can say 5 square. Done. And x square? X only. So write down x. So in this question, again, I am telling you, a is equals to consider 5 and b is equals to consider x. And formula, check it here, a plus b means 5 plus x and 5 minus x. That is your complete. Because in this question says we have to find out factors. That's why this is your factors. How many factors are there? 2 factors. And that is your complete answer. Okay, students? Yes, I understood. All of you, thumbs up one time. Yes, students? Very good. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Question number 3. Now 9b square minus 16. Again, similar way, try to understand what is the value of a and what is the value of b. So we can say 9b square, which number square, anyone? 3, not 3, we can say. Because b square bhi hai, that's why we can say 3b ka whole square. Write down 3b ka whole square. Because we can't ignore b square, that's why we can say 3b square. And here 16 is equals to 4 ka square. So we can say here this is complete a and this is complete b. So we can say formula a plus b and a minus b. Okay, 3b plus 4 and 3b minus 4. That is your simple question, and like this we have to find out next question also. So next question you have to solve yourself. So next question आपका homework दे देते हैं. So all of you note down this question number 5. This is your homework because very simple question. And question number 6 you have to solve yourself. Okay, so just wait. Question number 6 I'm writing here. All of you. Question number 4 also there, na? Okay, so question number 4 and question number 5 you have to solve yourself. Okay, just wait. Question number 4, note down all of you, question number 4 and question number 5, that 2 questions you have to solve yourself. So now question number 6. So in this question number 6, a square x square minus y square. Now tell me students, what is the correct answer of this question? Yes, in front of you, I will give you 1 minute and tell me answer fast. Already okay, now all of you try to understand the concept. Again, ax square, this is which number square? Ax whole square. Actually, individually also you can say a ka square written, x square written. So this is consider a. This is consider a minus. चलो इसको इरेज करके थोड़ा सा अच्छे से लिखता हूँ. ax का whole square and y square we can write down y square. That means in this question, particularly again I am writing here a is equals to, in this question, ax and b is equals to y. Formula we know, a plus b, that means ax plus y, and a minus b, that means ax minus y. That is your complete answer. Okay, done. Now next question, let's see. Just wait, students. Okay, so next question, question number 7. 49c square, 25d square. Okay, let's see. Think all of you, first of all, how we will write down which number square? 49c square. Complete fast. Do. 49c square is the value, is the expression, is the term that is which number square? We can write down 7c ka whole square. We can't write down only 7 because c square bhi hai. Now minus 25d square, we can say 5d ka whole square. Actually in this chapter, if you don't know the square of 1 to 20, so it is like something hard for you. That's why first of all I have to remember 1 to 20 ka square. Actually in third chapter that is having what is the square of 1, what is the square of 2, like this till 20. Okay, first of all till you have to 30, 1 to 30 it is for you are in class 8 na, that's why you have to remember till 1 to 30. Okay, and cube ka baat kare, so we can say 1 to 20 you have to remember. Okay, this is your homework also, you have to remember this square and cube. Understood? From your book only you have to remember. Now come here, a square minus b square. Formula we know again, a plus b, that means 7c plus 5d, and a minus b, that means 7c minus 5d. Bas, this is the complete answer. Okay, understood all of you? Very simple. Yes, students? Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. All the questions are similar only. Question number 7 completed. Question number 8. 100 minus r square. Yes, solve fast. 100 minus r square. What is the value of this? 100 minus r square. Fast. Think all of you. Very simple question. Ten square minus r square. So here a is equals to 10 and b is equals to r. So we can say a plus b, a plus b, a plus b. Here a is equals to b, that's why a plus b, and a minus b. That is the correct answer. Okay, done. इसका आगे कोई स्टेप नहीं करना है. That is the correct answer. This is the complete answer. Now next question. Let's see. Question number 7, 8 done. Now 9th question. 49 a square minus 1. Very much simple. Let's see how many students can solve this question within a second. Question number 8, 9, 10. Very good. So simple questions. That's why you're giving like fast answer. Very good. Yes. Okay, let's see. Again similar question, 49 square. That means we can say 7a ka whole square. Yes. And 1. Actually 1 we can write down 1 to the power any number. That 1 only. लिख सकते हैं ना? That's why we can say, but here we have to write down square form. That's why write down 1 ka square. If you write down 1 to the power 5, then also 1 will come, and 1 to the power infinite, then also 1 will come. Okay, that's why we can say 1 ka square, and this is making another formula, same formula, a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Same thing, same thing. Now I will give you some homework, all of you note down. Okay. Actually, class is not over, but in between some questions are repeating questions. That's why all of you note down these questions, because you have to solve yourself. Otherwise, आपका just write down question number 11. Question number 10 also write down. Question number 10, question number 11, question number 12 also, same process. Question number 13 I will do. Okay, 10, 11, 12 you have to solve yourself. Now I will do question number 13. So b to the power, we can say b to the power 4 minus 100. Yes, this is very good question. So in this question you have to think what is the value of a and what is the value of b. Yes, think all of you. Yes. B to the power 4 we can write down like this, b square whole square. Can we write? Check it properly. We can't write down like this, b square only, because here square 4 means what? 4 means we can write down 2 multiply 2. And in exponent chapter already if you remember, इस तरीके से हम लिख सकते हैं power raised to the power that should be multiply. That's why we can write down 2 2 ja 4, and we will break like this, minus. Now 100 how I write? 10 square. Yes, 100 we can write down 10 square. So in this format we will write down b square is equals to a. Yes, b square is equals to a and 10 is equals to b. Then so write down b square plus 10. Actually क्या होता है इसमें? First number plus second number. Again in another bracket, first number minus second number. That is the same easy thing. ठीक है, अगर इसको और भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं हम तो उसको हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते हम. ठीक है ना, बिकॉज वी कांट राइट डाउन 10 एनी नंबर स्क्वायर. 10 कोई से भी नंबर का स्क्वायर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर तो होता नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई इफ सपोज यहाँ पे ऐसे आ जाता b square minus 9, then we can solve, because we know 9 is the perfect square of 3. okay, that's why we can further solve. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन में भी आ सकता है आगे, तो देख लेंगे एक बार. सो लेट्स सी. okay, now next question, question number 13. Till question number 13 we are done. Now question number 14. Actually question of 14 also very easy. Okay, question of 14 you have to solve yourself. Okay, question of 15. Come question of 15. Now question number 15 is very very important. Just all of you see here question of 15. 144 minus 8 to the power 6. Yes. All of you think I am giving you 1 minute again. All of you solve here, just wait. And after that you have to give your answers. Question only. Okay. So first of all you have to think your first process is, we can say, you have to find out what is the 144 any number square. Yes, anyone? 12. Very simple. 12 square. And 8 to the power 6. Now think, how we will write down 8 to the power 6 in the form of square? We can say e to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. Because 3 2 ja 6. अगर आप इस तरीके से सोच रहे होंगे 8 to the power 4 raised to the power 2, this is wrong, because 4 2 ja 8, है ना. That's why we will break like this, 3 2 ja 6. Now in this question, this is a, this is b. So write down 12 plus a cube and 12 minus a cube. Okay, see, a plus b and a minus b, and we can't solve further. So that's why we can say that is the correct answer. Okay, yes students, all of you understood? Very good. Now we'll move next question. Let's see. Question number 15 completed. Now question number 16. Question number 16 also very easy. Let's see question number 16 only. b to the power 4 minus a square. Okay. b to the power 4 minus a square. Solve here fast. Okay, I am doing this question. See, b square whole square, है ना, 2 2 ja 4. That's why we can break like this, minus a square. So here this is complete a. This is complete a. All of you check it here. This is complete a and this is complete b. So we can say first number, that means b square, plus second number, and in another bracket first number minus second number. That is the complete answer. Okay, very simple. Now next question, question number 17 also I will not do. Question number 17, your homework. Note down all the homeworks one by one, you have to solve afterwards. Question number 18. Now this is very good question. 1 upon 4 b square minus 49. Yes students, first of all solve this question. Think all of you. So actually here 1 upon 4 b square minus 49. So here 1 upon 4 b square is there. So how will solve the question? Think all of you. 1 which number square? 1 only. 4 which number square? 2 and b. So this complete bracket give and give square. Check it here again one time. 1 ka square 1, correct. 2 ka square 4 and b square b only. And minus 49 is the number, that is which number square? 7. So we can write down 7. आगे क्या करना है आपको? a plus b, a minus b, write down. Same process, 1 upon 2 b plus 7 and 1 upon 2 b minus 7. In this actually really telling you that in this chapter factorization, still those questions we have completed, each and every questions are very easy. But इसमें थोड़ा बहुत ये आप लोगों का problem होता है, like सारे आप match कर देते हो. That's why you have to first of all remember all the formulas. Whatever formulas I explained you, each and every formula. Again I am reminding you, first is a square minus b square. This formula based questions we are already done now only. पहले कौन सा मैंने formula बताया था? Another, that is a plus b का whole square. That also we know, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Another formula, that is a minus b ka whole square. What is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this formula only remember. अगर आप इस formula को याद रखोगे, so you can easily solve each and every questions. Okay, got it? Okay, 2-3 questions have to do more, and after that I will give you homework. And if any doubt is there, so you can ask your doubts. Okay, so just wait. So question number still 18 done, na? 19. Okay, still 20 question you have to do today. Question number 19, that is c square minus 0.36. Okay, so c square minus 0.36, we can say c square minus what? C square minus 6? No, 0.6. Because 36 अगर बोलते इसमें तो we can say z6 का square. But here 0.36 is there. And 0.36, that's why we can say 0.6 का whole square. ठीक है? Sorry, here double time we are written. Okay. So 0.36 means 0.6 multiply 0.6. Now write down here a plus b and a minus b. That is the complete answer. Okay, last question for today. So let's see here. Question number 20. X square minus 1 upon 9. Yes, students. Yes, give me answer fast. See, x square minus 1 upon 9 means we can say 1 upon 3 ka whole square. So x, a plus b, a minus b na. So here a is equals to x. So write down x plus 1 upon 3 and x minus 1 upon 3. That is the correct answer. Yes or no? I think all of you understood this. All the questions, whatever questions we have discussed. Yes, students.